Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys font style setting in our Samsung phone device guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you set your default font style in your Samsung phone guys. You want to set guys your default font style, so guys you can set in your Samsung phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you set your default font style in Samsung phone. So guys, without waste time guys, open your phone setting to set. Then guys scroll it. Guys, you can see your phone display setting. So guys tap here. Again scroll. Font size and style guys tap here. Click on guys font style. So as you can see guys your default. And guys you want to download any font style. So guys you can download from here. So guys we will click on guys our default font style. So as you can see guys font style default. So as your default font style has set it in your Samsung phone. So as you can use your default font style. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font style in our Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks.